Tiger sharks are often seen as dangerous predators, but not all of them behave aggressively. There is a unique story of a tiger shark that formed an unexpected bond with a diver, proving that these creatures are more than just fearsome hunters. During an underwater dive, a large tiger shark appeared, moving slowly and curiously. Instead of acting aggressively, the shark approached with calmness, studying the diver rather than attacking. The diver remained still, allowing the shark to come closer, and to their surprise, the shark did not show any signs of hostility. Over time, with repeated encounters, a special connection developed. The shark began to recognize the presence of the diver, approaching peacefully on each dive. There was no fear or aggression, just curiosity and trust. The diver noticed that the shark would swim alongside them, sometimes gently brushing past as if acknowledging their presence. Tiger sharks are often misunderstood as dangerous predators, but not all of them fit this image. There is a unique story of a tiger shark that shares a special bond with a diver. Unlike the